Hello, greetings to you all. Today I am going to share with you 10 different needs with 10 different solutions. In world of investment, every need has its associated solution. So if we have this modest approach of routing our investment through the proper solution, probably we can all achieve our goal. Let me start with, I have attempted to compile all the wish list, 10 list of wishes that you may have as an investor. I have attempted to cover in this small booklet. You could have first wish that enough of investment. Now let's talk withdrawal. Let's spend some money. So we have solution for that. We have systematic withdrawal plan through mutual funds, whereby a portion of your investment can be earmarked against your monthly expenses. And when we calculate monthly expenses, we also take care of inflation for a longer horizon. So that can be possible through systematic withdrawal plan. Second wish you could have that you want to build a large sum of amount for a longer horizon for your grandchildren. So we have a systematic investment plan whereby we have millionaire plan, billionaire plan. You can build 1 crore capital, 5 crore capital, 15 crore capital, 100 crore capital just by small amount of systematic investment plan through mutual funds. Then you probably can have a need for your son or daughter who is settled outside India. Now you have a child who is by default having inheritance in India and do not want the hassle, do not want management of those funds. We have offshore fund whereby you can continue your investment in India and those investment can be reflected outside India, and the offshore fund can take care of your fund management and that of your tax compliances also. You may have a mutual fund investments and you are always worried about the volatility of the stock market, that should I book profit, should I exit now, should I stop not invest, should I not invest at this level. So these are the common problem that investors have, that market बहुत महंगा है, अभी invest नहीं करना है, market बहुत high है, मुझे profit book करना है. तो we have a tool for that called mutual fund auto rebalancing scheme. We invest through a systematic process and that ensure that you do not lose your capital over a period of time and you continue to earn a tax efficient return. Then there are chances that you may inherited equity shares from your parents, or you may have acquired on your own the big number of script of equity schemes. Now you do not want to manage those portfolio. You may not be comfortable managing those number of script. You can engage us, you can get your portfolio reviewed for equity investment, and we can help you with the portfolio management services as well. Then you may have, as a family, as an individual, as a company, a multiple insurance need, life insurance and non-life insurance. We cater to all those needs as well. When you invest, when you insure, you may have your need for taxation and for accounting. We have in-house team of chartered accountants who take care of your taxation and that of your accounting also. Then, having acquired this much of wealth protection through insurance, you may want a luxurious lifestyle through a club membership. We are authorized and we are affiliated to certain clubs in India, whereby we enroll you to those clubs. Then you may have a large sum of fixed deposit, post office investment, PPF investment, company fixed deposit, bonds, the debt portfolio. We can help you with managing that portfolio as well, maintaining your asset allocation in mind, also maintaining your risk appetite in mind, so that you do not worry about the risk of the investment and the adequacy of the safety. We also help you with your real estate investment. Now, what is our specialty in real estate investment? That most of the families that we meet has a multiple list of properties. Over a period of time, they have acquired so many properties, and we review your portfolio, we guide you for exit, we guide you to accumulate to the one large property, and probably we connect you to the consumption of those property, thereby ensuring that you are connected to the right real estate portfolio. These are the 10 list of needs that you may be having. Our office is located at Vapi, Surat, Navsari, Bardoli, Billimora, and we are catering the more than 5,000 families for the last 27 years. So this was the small introduction of this part of the services that our company offers, and I wish that you visit us, you contact us, you explore our services, and in case you are you want this copy in PDF format, we would be happy to send you through PDF. So you will have to file a Google form, and we will be happy to share the copy of this book to you. So when I speak about offshore fund, why do I advocate offshore fund? Primarily, we have client from India, but now the next generation is settled outside India also. So I have traveled UK, USA, Canada, South Africa, certain part of Western world, whereby we acquire client and our connectivity with those families intact. So overseas client have lots of interest in India, and they look for a reliable professional advisory firm, and we are happy that we have most of the good families attached to our company.